to load a custom brush preset that we're going to use on our photograph. So I go to Window, Brushes. They're over here on my left side, but normally they're on the right, but I wanted to see them a little bit easier. And we're going to load a preset brush that you can either buy or find free on the internet. And how do we load it? We go to the horizontal bars on the right and then import brushes. And we need to go to lesson 10. So give me a second because it's pretty deep. And then there's the CIB brushes, and I press open. And there they are down at the bottom. And the preset brushes have not only names, but they also have colors, specific colors like yellow, tree highlight brush, tree brush grass, which is like an orange. So here are the CIB brushes. Make sure to save your file.